They, perfect. There they go. Southside, there they. Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching any of my video, thank you very much for taking out your time. And if this is not your first time but you haven't subscribed to my channel, baby, what are you waiting for? So basically, today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. I'm just going to be showing you guys what I'm going to do, what I'm going to be using today. So this is a weaving cap. I have my tools right here: comb, scissors, tail comb, brush, and of course we have this is basically it, guys. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to be using one part. I'm going to cut this out, and this is what we're going to be using for our video. So guys, I've cut the whole thing. This is what we're going to be. Hopefully this is going to be enough, but if it's not enough, that's fine. I'm just going to go right ahead and add more. So for the purpose of this video, if you're a girl, you already know what we call this. This is like, I'm going to be doing cut 4. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to we're going to pluck, and all I'm doing is basically just stretching. This is pretty easy. This is halfway through the whole thing. I'm not done yet, but like, I just wanted you guys to see. If you've gotten this far, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. We are on our way to 1K, you guys. Ooh, I'm pretty much gassed today. So I've been doing this for the longest time. The main aim here is to try and achieve a bob wig. I actually didn't watch any tutorial at all, none whatsoever. Like, even when I was struggling, like, I tried to figure out how I was going to make the bangs, but I was really curious. Why does it sound like I'm saying cute? Whatever, you get the point. I was really excited to know how this was going to look like. So yeah, I'm just pretty much going to dive right into this video. So let's do it. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. So guys, next thing I'm going to be using is this Kakiva HRS oil, hair root stimulating. I just need something to make it shine. Basically, you don't have to. Let's straighten this baby. What? Huh? Okay guys, so first of all, I just want to say, if you've never done this before, please give it to a professional to do it for you, because let me show you guys, let me show you the back. I look like Nella. I have no words. Let's not even cap, guys. I'm actually onto something. Naji, stay down. Okay, so let's address the issue. After today, I'm never going to lie to you, I'm going to throw this shit away, because it wasn't a complete disaster, but I cannot wear it out to, you know, anywhere, because most importantly, because of the bag. But oh my god, this is so tight. I have a tender scalp. My head is already aching. My head is, ooh, oh my god, my head needed space to breathe. I think the first problem I had was this headstand. So the reason I have my scarf on is because it's braided under, like there's hair on it, and if I had done it here, the hair will disturb me, so I had to put a scarf. I didn't have money to get any wig head stand, whatever this is called, so don't blame the girl. Okay, we improvise in this house. I feel like if it was bald, bow. Do you know I don't know how to pronounce that as well? Bow. It's bald head. Bald head. So if it was bald, if it was bald, I pretty much think I would have been able to, you know, cut it properly. But I'm going to check on YouTube on how to cut a bald wig and all of that. So the next time I'm coming your way, I'm going to come fully prepared. You guys, I'm about to take out my wig. People that wear frontals, this is not even for me. Jesus Christ. Number 3 problem has to be, so you guys, when you're using your straightener, you don't want it to be too hot because this hair is fragile basically. So you can see like it was a problem. This looks so somehow, and I think I shouldn't have put the oil on it because I think that was a problem as well. But I don't know. So yeah, I think this is pretty much everything. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you think there's something you can add to this to make it to make the outcome more presentable, please do not forget to share in the comment section as well. Or if you try this and it comes out way better than mine, do not forget to tag me on my social media handles. I'm going to leave it down below in the description box. I don't know why I'm even rushing. Where am I from? You know that joke when you're speaking too fast, your elders will be like, why are you rushing? Are you from Russia? Don't leave me. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Say bye, guys. I was about to say bye, guys.
Perfect. There they go. Stop.